Hi friends, today let me recommend our STA-100 device projection feature. Now this is a new feature that we added for our STA-100. In this way, it is very convenient to show your data or you do the business display, right? And it's very easy. Yeah, we just firstly connect with the power and connect this device with a projector by the HDMI cable, and then you just connect with the projector, open your projector, and then the projector will cast your STA-100 device page to the screen or to the wall. This is very convenient, yeah, and let me show you more details of it. Here you can see this is our STA-100 device, and I just you can see two ports. One is for the power, and the other one is for the HDMI. And here is my projector. At the back of it, the HDMI cable is connected, right? So you open your projector, all your images, the screen, the contents of your device will be casted on the wall. It's very convenient, right? And yeah, so this is our new feature. We wish our STA-100 be more and more convenient, more and more easy to use. All right.